Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload a PHP file in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites from the top. Then click on Dashboard next to your website. From this left side menu, click on Files, then File Manager. Now click on Access Files of your website name. To access your website files, double-click on this public HTML folder. Then click on this little upload icon. Select File. Then locate your PHP file on your computer and click Open. And this is how to upload a PHP file in Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.